Okay, we're going to clean a double-edged razor. You see all the mung and grime, even though it's stainless, they still get dirty. First thing, get rid of the old blade. Wrap it in tape so nobody gets hurt. And we're just going to take a common toothpaste, the grittier the better. A little toothpaste in there. It's real simple. Water on. Take an old toothbrush. Look at that. Shiny and new. This is the shortest video on earth. Look at that. On the inside's all nice and clean. Got a little more in there.
What kind of toothpaste was that you used?
I said just common, cheapo toothpaste. See, a little more in there. Just get your brush in there. Look at that. Nice and clean. The grittier, the better. Common toothpaste.
Okay, that looks like the good stuff.
Yeah. You're ready to go. It'd take 30 seconds. Look how shiny that is. Good as new.
All right.